Okay, I thought the problems in this week's homework were a little bit outside the scope of what the chapter in the book covered. This is for chapter 7. So I wanted to go over one of a sample problem that's similar to what you have so you can just see what the approach is and that sort of thing. So this problem deals with a plastics company that makes 100-pound drums of a particular product called Zentra, and it gives the bill of materials or the recipe for making that product. And then it gives us a bunch of information about variable overhead and how many employees they employ and what they're paid, and how much they run in terms of machine hours per month and all of that kind of stuff. So I find in problems like this that has a lot of information that may be extraneous, it can be helpful to jump down to what the problem is actually asking and read that first. And then go ahead and read through the problem and highlight the things that are relevant. So what they're asking for here is, assuming normal production levels, what is the direct material and direct labor cost per drum? So for that, what I'm going to need is this information here. So I'm going to need to know what the direct materials are, and then I'm going to need to know what the direct labor costs are. And I can sort through all of this information, and what I really need to know is that the workers are paid $24 per hour, and that 100-pound batch, so that's one drum of the product, needs 10 minutes of direct labor. So of all of this information, this problem, what they're asking me for, direct material and direct labor here, only needs that information. So let's go ahead and work through it here. So the way I've set it up, and again, one of the nice things about managerial accounting is you can take a different approach if you want. There's not just one right way to do it to get to the answer. But I set up a column for direct material and a column for direct labor. So I've got the first product, Zeta, a quantity of 15, and I don't know if it's pounds or gallons, it doesn't matter, times 25, so $375 for a 100 gallon drum. The product Venta, 35 times 2750, that gives me 962.50. Then I have the base material, 20 times a dollar for $20. And then I have one lined drum for $51.83. So then the labor portion, I have to convert to portions of an hour here. So 10 minutes divided by 60 minutes, because the quantity of 10 minutes, I have to multiply that by the wage rate, which is per hour. So 10 minutes divided by 60 minutes, or 1/6 of an hour, times $24 per hour. Completing a 100-gallon drum is $4 worth of direct labor. So I've got $1409.33 for direct material, $4 for direct labor. So the total direct material and direct labor cost per drum is $1413.33. Look back at the problem here, and I can see that the answer to the problem is $1413.33. So these problems, as you're working through your homework, I would recommend doing them on paper like I just did here, and then selecting your answer in the software package. As you're working through these, if you have any problems, please email me and be specific about what portion of a problem that you're struggling with, and I'm happy to come back and offer some coaching to that. So I hope you found that short video helpful, and good luck with your homework.